Fix your life in 24 hours. The ultimate routine. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that you don't need 1 year to change your life? You don't even need a month. You need one thing. One perfect day. Because if you can win the next 24 hours, you can repeat that and win every day. That's how you fix your life. Not in the future, but today. Right now, I'll break down the exact 24 hours routine that can reset your entire life. So, most people think that their life is a mess because of bad luck, bad circumstances, or some major failure. But the truth is, your life breaks down because of one lazy day at a time. Waking up late, scrolling your phone, skipping goals. You don't notice it at first until suddenly you are stuck. No clarity, no energy, no growth. But the fix isn't complicated. It is not magic. It is routine, a daily system. And if you follow this for just one day, you will understand how powerful you can become. So the 24-hour life fix routine. 5 a.m. Wake up with intent. Forget waking up at 9 or 10. At 5 a.m. the world is quiet. No distractions, no noise. You wake up, drink a glass of water, and do not touch your phone. You stand up, stretch, breathe, and thank God that you are alive. Because today is the day you change. 5:30 a.m. Workout. This is your first victory. Whether it is push-ups at home or a gym session, you are telling your brain, I'm not here to be average. It boosts testosterone, focus, confidence, all in one. Now 6:30 a.m. Read plus plan your day. Now feed your mind. Read at least 10 pages of a great book, not memes, not reels, a book. Then grab your journal or whiteboard and ask, what is my main goal today? Write it and say it loud. Now 7 a.m. Deep work block 1. Now here it comes your golden hours. From 7 to 9, work on something that builds your future. Study, write, code, build your business, anything productive. No phone, no multitasking. This is where legends are made. 9 a.m. Clean breakfast plus walk. Fuel your body with something clean, eggs, fruits, etc. Simple. Then take a 10-minute walk in sunlight. Let the nature reset your brain. Let your ideas breathe. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Execution time. This is where most people waste time, but not you, because you have already won half the day. Now do the hard thing. Send the email, make the call, learn the skill, earn the respect. 1 p.m. Clean lunch plus rest. Eat something real, no junk, and rest for 30 minutes. Not with Instagram, with silence, because your brain needs clarity, not clutter. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Second deep work. Block number 2. This is round 2. If you are in school, this is study time. If you work, double down, no half focus, no random tabs, laser mode. 6 p.m. Reflection plus recharge. Now pause, walk again, stretch and grab your journal. Write 3 things. First, what I did right today. Second, what I can improve. Third, what I am grateful for. This alone will rewire your brain for growth. Now 8 p.m. Wind down plus plan tomorrow. Now close the day with intention. Shut off screens, read again, pray, plan the first 3 hours of tomorrow, and get to bed by 9:30 or 10. No scrolling, because champions rise early. So if you want to fix your life, then stop overthinking, stop waiting for motivation, and start with one day, just one. The routine I showed you is simple, but if you follow it with intention, even once, you will feel it. You will feel power, clarity, and control. Now imagine repeating that 7 times, then 30, then 90. That's how greatness is built. One unstoppable day at a time. Let today be day 1. So this was the ultimate routine and a guide to fix your life. So if you like this video, Subscribe for more self growth and motivational content. For now, goodbye. Take care.